are we doing?
Oh, working on his missus' cars. I'm pretty jealous. The little Celica Supra. You know, she needs a little TLC, you know, in the interior. Not too bad at the whole detailing thing myself, so thought I'd come over, give a hand and stuff.
Yeah, Abbie's car needs a lot of work. We're just gonna go through the interior today and try to clean up everything we can. She's already ordered some new door cards, which are like perfect.
Mint.
Yeah, she also got a new center console. She got a new taillight for the back. She's doing work, getting stuff done. And so today we're gonna start picking at it. We're gonna start doing the head gasket in a handful of days because she's got head studs and stuff on the way, but they're not quite here yet. So we figured we'd wait until that stuff's here before we really crack open the engine. We have something like 2 weeks to get this car registered. We got pulled over the other day and it was a fix it, take it, and Abbie doesn't want to register her old car because it's going away anyway. So we need to get this thing licensed and registered and running and stuff so that we can be like, hey judge, please don't make me pay money.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
Whoever owned this car before Abbie was definitely chasing the tail of the dragon.
Yeah, dude, someone was tweaking, man.
This is gross.
Dude, I can smell the fungus.
I'm scared to get a needle in my eye.
I can't even get this bolt.
Look at all those bobby pins, dude. They're everywhere. Ew. Bobby pins riddled throughout these, like under the seats.
Some fucking Advils.
Bro.
At least she'll be able to pay for a carpet though, you know. Got hella coin, bro. Dude, honestly, you got more than you paid for, you know. You got mushrooms, you got crushed up Advil for free, you got a bunch of markers, even a battery, dude. You need one AA battery that wouldn't stop your seat rail from going up because it was literally stuck in the seat rail.
There's a big old gouge in it.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
You know, one of the owners of the past was definitely a dodgy individual. What the fuck, dude? Does this guy have coke in here or something? Like, there's definitely more under here. We should take this off. Yeah, time to do a little archaeology.
Ew, bandages in there.
Marty said.
Q-tips.
Bandage tape or something. Yo, some kind of micro butt plug. Got a clip. Dude, there's so many treasures in this car. Like I said, dude, if you guys, oh, look at that. If you guys can pick up a car from the 80s, old Japanese car from the 80s, dude, it won't let you down. This is nice, dude. You can do some jewelry stuff, you know, tighten your glasses up, you bust your glasses, or, you know, you like to smoke a couple dabs, you know, you fucking get all juiced up, you know, fucking dabberoo, you know. This guy's seen some shit, man. He's fucking, he's been through the ringer, dude. Can't tell.
Abbie has to keep this in here now.
Yeah, this is gotta be our hood ornament.
Did I tell you about, I haven't shown you Z Jesus yet.
No, I don't.
While we were ripping that Z to shreds.
Oh, you find a Jesus guy in there?
Jesus in there and I took him.
Hell yeah, dude.
He's gonna go in the Z.
I got the raisin, you got Jesus, and she's got the army guy.
Yep.
Hell yeah, dude. You'll be like Dominic Toretto, bro.
Yeah, man, there's my Z Jesus.
God, dude.
and now we got the Celica Soldier.
Celica Soldier. That's pretty good. Dude, I hope my tetanus shots are up to date. Fuck, dude. This ain't a safe car, dude. Not a safe car to work on, dude. I might get addicted to the heroin, dude. Or at least its head's up.
So Abbie just got home from work and she's helping clean up this nasty carpet. What's that, Schwab?
Tetanus gang, dude. That one's extra rusty.
Yeah, so how you feeling about your car?
Drug bucket.
Yeah, you like your previous owners? What would you say to your previous owners if you could talk to them?
I hope you get better soon.
Abby decided she was gonna order a new carpet because this one's pretty gnarly. But we're still gonna try to clean it off as much as we can for the sake of this video and the next few weeks.
I found secret change.
I got a magnet for hard to reach needles.
Oh yeah, oh no. They definitely are.
Oh my god.
Definitely are magnetic. Great bitch.
This thing is super crusty. Nasty.
Oh,
And this is Abby's new center console. Nice piece. Yeah, dude, this thing is gorgeous. Got fresh light. Yeah, good stuff. I just counted 110 needles, 110 bobby pins.
yeah,
That's a lot.
it's a lot.
There's like $5 or $6 worth of change in there. I counted like $4.50 when I did it the first time, but then we found a shit ton under the seats.
Nice. Go get a coffee.
Yeah, dude. Get a couple games of pool in.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah.
Pool money.
Pool money.
Alright, so here's the old taillight. And Abby got a new taillight the other day. We're gonna change this little black bottom piece off and swap it onto this one. But this lens is a lot nicer than this one.
These are some crusty seats, dude. I think there's more duct tape than leather on them.
Yeah. I forgot to mention this earlier in the video, but Abbie also bought a complete reupholstery kit for both seats. So these guys are gonna be black and brand new.
It'll look a lot nicer
Yeah.
than duct tape. I will be honest though, the duct tape blends in with the gray leather very well.
Yeah, it
It all,
you know, for duct tape it's not terrible.
it's
but
not too bad. Is whoever owned this car seriously had some duct tape craftsmanship. Duct tape craft.
Yeah. Carpet's quite a bit cleaner. It looks nice with the fresh center console.
Yeah, that center console's sick.
Yeah, dude, it looks a lot better in here.
Yeah. This is where we got it yesterday.
You can like see the carpet.
Yeah.
Not as many needles.
Yeah.
many needles.
I think we got all of the needles out, but we might find some more.
Are you guys keeping this carpet, or do you have new? You have new carpet.
And Abbie bought a new carpet
Okay, yeah.
yesterday.
So you
yeah.
might find a few more underneath those holes.
Oh, definitely. I guess there will be some there. So Schwab and I also got the new taillight on. We found out this whole surround on the taillight is one single piece. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut like this bottom piece off and kind of wrap around. And we're gonna try to do the same thing with the old taillight and then just screw in the piece so that hopefully you can't notice it unless you're real close. But we'll do that on a different day. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was fun sifting through it, counting out all the bobby pins and needles. Yeah, there will be a lot more on this car pretty soon because we got to get it done fast. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next one.
What would you say to your previous owners if you could talk to them?
I hope you get better soon.
I think they might be dead.
Ooh.